Hello guys and welcome to Octa Studio. Let me just go Scott and that's all I should say. Back to my Octa Studio, and then I finally made a joystick game. But instead I removed the up and down button because this would look really weird. Instead replaced them both with the jump button. They're kinda like this. And then when he goes like this, but I saw no star play from the video, he did make a jump button, but then when he jumped what happened? I turn off internet because there's an ad. So start playful video here is like when he clicked the jump button, the person was facing straight. I want him to tell me how did he actually do this? How did he make him face straight? Because if you can see, if I do this, it'll just go down and down and down. It'll look really weird. Oh, let me just put that back. It'll look really weird. So, I just don't start all playful. That I just want to tell him how did he possibly just make him jump and make him face straight with no problems at all. And look, let's go to this. So when he let's see. So the jump. Let's go from there to there. When I tap the jump button, send the jump to all. When I tap this, send move left to all. And then when I tap this, send move right to all. And then when I tap this, so move right left received, set the direction to the left side, and move 50 that way, and when move right received, it will set direction to the right, and then move 50 there normal speed, and then it will jump received, it will jump 50 to normal speed. When this touches this edge, it will switch to one of these randoms I picked a ton of sprites just so you can't go to a little bit. This little bug. Oh, what? Why is there's an ad, bro? Sip, drink, sing. The hell, there's this little bug when he goes like this way. He does like that. I don't know how to fix that. He goes through a bunch of sprites and he's going through the. There were a few I didn't pick just because I didn't make a hyper realistic video. So kind of like this one, how do you walk there? And then kind of like this one, how do you walk? You want to add? No, I think I should add a desert to this. Did I add that? Just I guess every single Octa Studio video of Star Playful has to have one pretty mid bug, kind of like this. Like this. I guess it's any other game you can find cheats. So I guess it's pretty much a realistic game. Every game with cheats. Boom. I did do the explore tab, and I said I will make a story maybe pretty soon. My goodness, it's also on and then I also made my virtual pet.
If your phone fall in the water.
I'm back from the ad. I just have to sit to the end. I kind of got inspiration from someone playful on this. He probably got inspiration from this. With the joystick. It's pretty much the exact same thing, like right here. I tap and move right to on, and then move right to received, move like that. Put her to the next one, and then there are a few bugs. I bet. Oh, there's no. That is a pretty great idea to not bug your game.
Filter next.
Now, okay, I'm back from the ad, and this is an interactive story. I can do this instantly. What is that? I think I completely ruined. Yeah, I completely ruined the backdrops, which is. Can I just completely ruin this? Does it reset or something like what? Can I just delete all of his everything's code? Like, sorry for the quietness, but this is basically it. So hopefully you enjoyed. I'm just gonna show you some embarrassing projects of mine, kind of like this.
Gold. At the rainbow.
The gold is there. It's just. I'll show you more embarrassing projects. This is not that embarrassing, but there is a few bugs. This was actually my first good project. Maybe I could have just said go to Sprite instead. Let me just tell you what they use. I know I'm ruining kind of doing my project. How many ads does this game have? That's 4 ads. I think there's 1 ad each second. Like, bro. Last one. Let's look at this.
Collect the fish. Collect the fish. Collect the fish. Well done.
I will make probably my best project yet tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow or tomorrow. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.